What?
Whoa, what was that?
Wait, was that an earthquake?
OMG, that was an earthquake.
What is an earthquake anyways?
Well, an earthquake starts with the earth. It is made up of lots of different layers. In the middle is the Earth's inner core. It is super duper hot. Then comes the outer core, lower mantle, upper mantle, and the crust.
So it's like a giant fancy rainbow layered cake?
We're standing on the crust right now. The crust is split into a lot of different pieces that are called tectonic plates. It's like a puzzle. When two plates collide, they can cause earthquakes and tsunamis to occur, but also can form mountains. The energy from the plates is what causes the earthquakes. One example is the San Andreas Fault, which extended around 1,200 kilometers through California. The North America and Pacific plates had split from beneath it. That is an example of when the plates moved away from each other.
Poor Jar Jar. Here are some tips to stay safe during an earthquake. A great place to hide during an earthquake is under a table or something you can take shelter from. For more ways to stay safe, just listen to Miss McHugh. This is a seismograph. It can read when the earthquake is coming and how big it will be. It measures this through the 1 to 10 Richter scale, 10 being the worst.
Question is, why would we live somewhere if we know an earthquake could happen any second? Well, some reasons that someone might stay there is simply that a nice view or it's really convenient for them.
Thank you.
Sorry, that was Misa's stomach.